Hi everyone. Okay, today we're gonna talk about tips for ceiling. Okay, usually when we customize our ceiling, right, we need to put our lighting from crowd. Okay, from crowd. Today we're gonna using ceiling function to put down light. Okay, to insert down light. So at first delete those existing. Okay, so go inside the ceiling, customize. Okay, now we are inside the function. Okay. So you click on this square, right click, then you may see this one, downlight installation. Okay, so let me briefly explain this downlight installation. So at first you may see this one, brick square. Okay, what if I click one only? I don't want the batch modify. Click one only, then I select this one. I pick this gold color. So you may see one line here got this lighting pattern. Or this one I want to put different, so I click here. There will be different color, different pattern, light pattern. Okay, what if I don't want all? I just bash all, then delete, clear. Okay, all will be clear. Okay, so what if I want all? I just select and select this one. Okay, then all will have here. Okay, let's say over edges. Okay, but this one too small, cannot show you. I show you outside here. Okay, so clear first. Okay, let's say I want to do outside here. Here I want to put downlight, so I just right click here because it's next to it now. So downlight here, downlight installation. Then I select one of the pattern like this one. Okay, and let me see, surround it. Okay, after that, this one over edges is mean when I want to move near to the wall, maybe, then I just change it 400. Okay, but usually we put on the center because this one I mostly told my student minus 600, so the gap is 600, equal is 300. Okay, 300 will be the center. Then this one light gap. Okay, this one is too near, so I make it 1500. I don't want so much light. So all equal, all equal. Okay. About coordinate Z, this one is the light elevation from the floor, so you can see it. But usually we don't change it unless the light is above the ceiling Okay. So that's all. Thanks for watching.